All right, there's nothing better than fresh steak. As you can see, these cooked up so good. The flavor was very rich. I love steak and I was very impressed. Now, the brand sent these over to me a little bit ago to check out, give my honest thoughts. I want to say also, this would be the perfect gift idea because they come in a nice box. They come very cold with ice there, so the presentation is nice. As you can see, the marbling is just gorgeous on these. Just a little bit of seasoning. Again, the flavor was very rich, so we did not need a lot. Just to show you what they look like in the light. Now, we put these on the grill. I also like putting steaks. I like to sear them on a pan. I even like to put steaks in the air fryer. No, it sounds weird, but you got to try it. But they cooked up very nicely on the grill. And as you can see here, we paired it with some salad, a vegetable. That is all you need. Go ahead, check this out for yourself or somebody else.